So we've been racing all over the countryside, following a lot of the Giro route, up and down climbs, most of which the Giro professionals were going over in a 53 chainring. Here we've come to Novilara. Novilara is just inland a little bit. Out there behind me is the Adriatic. To our south is Fano, to the north is Pesaro. We'll be heading down to Fano, and then we're going to take the Panoramica route back up to Pesaro and back into Riccione. So the countryside here never ceases to impress. Everything about this is just beautiful. Can't beat it. Hope to see you here next year.